Welcome back to our channel,
Panika and Mommy.
So today we are coming back with a very new excited activity. So do you know what is the activity? A keychain holder. Are you excited?
Yes.
Hope you all are also so excited for the new activity. Okay? So for the keychain holder, we will use some materials. So what kind of materials? Paintbrush,
Popsicle stick,
paint colors,
paint color,
and Fevicol. And you can
brush.
also use some decorating material. Okay? So let's start. In the first step, Panika, we will take 2 popsicle sticks for the base, like this. Okay. Now, Panika, put drops like this. Okay. One here, here. Very good.
One here
Mhm.
and one here,
Here.
here, here, and here, and here.
Now, give me the Fevicol. Now, we will put some popsicle sticks on this base, like this. Okay.
Ooh.
Do it
Yeah, here.
like this.
And
Stick to each other. Okay. Do it, Panika. Take it.
thank you.
So now let it dry for at least 5 minutes. Now we need to paste 2 more popsicle sticks.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
like this. Can you see that?
Yes.
Now take more popsicle sticks to make the shape of Now, Panika, what will be the next step?
We will paint these popsicles.
Okay, shall we start paint?
Yes.
Okay. So which color are you using?
Pink.
Okay. Shall I help you?
Yes.
We are painting the popsicle sticks to make it colorful.
Yes.
We have done with the painting.
Yes.
So our base is completely ready. So now what we need to do for next? We need to make the holders now. For holders, what we need to do? We need to fold the popsicle sticks into 2 halves. Okay, like this and like this. Okay.
Okay. My kitchen is ready. Hope you like the video. Subscribe the dress and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye.